Archiving and unarchiving photos on Instagram is a great way to hide posts without permanently deleting them. So here is how you can achieve it. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now scroll down to your post and find the post you want to archive. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post you just tapped and a menu or drop down menu will appear. Now from there all you have to do is select archive and the post will be moved to your archived post and it will no longer be visible on your profile. It won't be deleted, just hidden from your followers. Now to unarchive it, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. And once you do so, scroll down and tap on the archive option available there. Once you tap on the archive, you'll be navigated to the stories archive. Now tap on the stories archive, then it will show post archive or live archive. Tap on the post archive and tap on the post you want to unarchive. Then again, repeat the process. Tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen and a menu will appear. From there, select show on profile to unarchive it. After you do so, now the post will appear again on your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.